you know that is God. He is sovereign. He is majestic. He is God by himself. Yeah, the Bible said he sits enthroned on the cherubim of glory upon the mercy seat. The heaven is his throne. The earth is his footstool. He is Jehovah. Yeah, we are the flock of his pasture, the sheep of his pasture. He is Jehovah. He is the one that is able to set a table before you in the presence of your adversaries and pours rivers of living water to gush out in a desert place. It is God who crowns you with life and fills your mouth with laughter and puts dancing at your feet. It is God. Whether you serve him or not, he is God. You are breathing this morning because of his mercy. The reason why some are dead and you are alive is because he decided it. Yeah, even when the enemy attacks you, if he does not give permission, the enemy cannot have that permission. I am talking about Jehovah, El Elyon, El Elohim Israel. I'm talking about the Ancient of Days. I'm talking about Adonai. I'm talking about El Gibor. I'm talking about Jehovah Nissi. I'm talking about the Ancient of Days. I'm talking about Yahweh. I'm talking about Yehovah. I'm talking about Jesus. God, with or without you, he is God. Oya more, dear Bibia. Oya sit down. You are up to it. Yeah, you're up to it. I didn't know Yeshua we know Yeshua. I didn't we are what I'm in Maria. Yanina mean Nissan common. Dear what and warrior. Dear when you and warrior. I'm telling you, and this and Kiamu be American, you will be, you know, and tia. That's God. You be to be friend me anymore. Say that's not fair. That's not fair. How can that be fair? Because it's our brofunina and bring all the people who live in America to Ghana, and take all the people who live in Ghana to America. Give us only 10 years. Ghana will turn into America, and America will turn into Ghana. It's attitude, it's a mindset, it's a mindset, it's a mindset, it's a culture, it's a way of life. I saw it by for what you remember. It's a way of life. I'm telling you, what for Christo for almost 10 years now. Question: what do you have to show for?